Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm about to do a video. I have a 2014 Chevy Impala. I don't know if anybody has experienced this. As you can see right here, I'm pointing. The battery fuse block has actually got so overheated and burned a hole in the cover. When you pull it up, you see this little brown stuff coming out of the battery terminal or the battery wiring. That's because it's overheated. Okay, and if you look even closer, you see right here where that 250 amp goes right there. It's actually it's come apart. I got here this little part wedged in here to keep it together. When I take it out, watch what happens. It's loose in there. You see that? See, it cut the engine off. Haha. Okay, so loses power at that point because it's short and arcs out, and then a minute or two it'll start just clicking, you know. But anyhow, make a long story short, I had to go to the dealer and I got another one, a brand new one. Okay. Try to hold the camera and do all this at one time. Anyhow, you set the camera down for one quick sec. Okay, now got it open. As you can see, everything's brand new. Okay, in there. Just need a couple tools. I got here 8mm ratchet. I'm sorry, 8mm socket. I got a 10mm socket and a 13mm socket. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is change it out. Once I change it out, I'm gonna turn the video back on.